Okay, welcome to the next part of this video. Here I'm going to show you how to create your own landing page for free. So after concluding the registration process the other time, you are brought to this page. Okay, so the first thing is to create a list. So I go here, list. This one is created by default with the name and with the name of the particular site, or name I used. So this is already, and it puts me as a subscriber. So if I want to create a new list, then you can have different freebies, different products, different freebies you want to release from time to time, and build email list for that particular thing. So I'm not going to start with this. I'm going to start with this afresh. So create list. So you give it a name. I can money magnet solutions. You can just give it a name, but just make sure that the name is very is okay. So then you put email address, then default from name, put your name. So remind people how they signed up to your list. I just copied this. Receiving this email because you opted in at our website, or my website, or you opted in to receive this and this and this. Okay, and optional, you can put in your phone number. It's optional. Then you can decide to receive daily or weekly summary. So you can see it says you have a brand new list. Okay, so the next thing is to create a sign up form. A sign up form is a form that people will fill in order to give you their own email address. So I click on sign up forms and I go to general forms. Just click on general forms. For the purpose of this training, these general forms you'll be making use of to set up your landing page for your email list. Now this is just going to be very simple. So this is going to be the URL or the address that you give people. You can customize this with bit.ly, bit.ly, or gw.gl. So you can see money magnet solutions, email address, first name and last name. So I'm just going to click and drag this here. First name, I'm going to remove this particular field. So I click it. I want to make it as simple as possible. So it's going to remove this one. So if I just copy this link now and I paste it here, excuse me. So you can see first name, email address, subscribe to list. So this is just a simple one, but I'm going to put in one ebook cover here, and I'm going to do one or two things. So I can edit this, I can remove, I can use an image. So I'm going to click on image, I'm going to upload. Let me see if I can find one ebook cover I created some time ago. Okay, this is one I created for a client recently. This is just for just for this training purpose. So this is the height and width. It's too big, so I will just 100. Let me see, maybe 450, and save and insert image. So it's going to replace this text. Okay. So it's going to be there. I want to see if I can position it properly. Yeah, so there's a photo editor here. I'm just trying to make, okay, sorry, I'm going to supposed to click this. Okay, align, center. So I'm going to make this very, very, very simple. So it's aligned in the center as it is now, so you can see. So just click here. Yeah, sorry, this was the previous photo editor I clicked on. That's just appearing. So this is the one for kindly fill in your details below to receive this ebook. You can customize it the way you want. Let's see. Now it said that these days that it's good you also include the email the phone numbers of people. So I'm just going to add a field. I just did, and I'm going to edit this. So once I click on this, click on field settings. Work on this. Minimize my window so I can see this properly. So there you have it, telephone, so that whenever you send emails to people, you can also request for their whenever you send email, you can use their telephone address, their telephone number, to send messages to them that they have a mail. So that's good for mobile marketing. So here, subscribe to this. I'm going to change this and click on translate it. So where you have subscribe to list, you can download now. And this is just more than enough to get you started. So you can see this download now. So I'm just going to change the color. That's what I can do. So, okay, let me just leave it here. I think it's with the paid version that you can change the color. So I think we are done with this now. I'm going to refresh this to see how it looks. So you see, so this is a simple landing page. I'm going to test it with my in the next video. I'll be showing you how to automate your the freebie you want to give them so that they can receive it after signing up. So okay, so that's that on this in this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.